Let's solve this together. It says square root of 9 minus square root of 8. Okay, we're going to simplify this. Now the first thing to do here is that we can say square root of 9 is equal to 3. So I have that this is square root of 9 is 3 minus square root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Okay, because 2 squared is 4. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, now moving on from here, we want to look for a way to express this inside. You can take the square root of what's inside here. Now looking closely at this, you'll see that this is 3 and this is 2. Now how can we make 3 look like 2? Okay, that's the first question you ask yourself. How can you make 3 look like 2? Now you can agree with me that 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. Alright? So we can say that this is equal to square root of 3 is 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Okay? Now let me do something again. Okay? Let's say when you have a minus b all squared, it's equal to, this is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? Now looking at this now, let me rewrite this and let's do something here. Let me rewrite this. So we have square root of, this is 2 minus 2 root 2, okay, plus 1. Okay? Let's say that this 2 here is equal to square root of 2 squared. Why? Because square root of 2 squared is 2. Okay, so we not really change anything here. Now you see that this is in the form of, okay, square root of 2 squared. Okay, and then we can change this one to 1 squared. Can you see that if you compare this and this, you're going to see that you're almost getting the same thing. So you have, let's root 2 equal to a. So you have root 2, which is a squared. Then we have minus 2 times ab. Now this is, let this one be b. Okay, so this corresponds to b squared. Now for the minus 2 times ab, you have minus 2 times root 2, which is our a, and 1, which is our b. Okay, so from here you can now infer that this is now equal to square root of, so this is now equal to, our a we said is root 2, and our b we said is 1, all squared. Okay, now square roots will cancel square, so we have that this is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. Okay, now square root of 2 is something as 1.414. Okay, 1.414 minus 1 is equal to 0.414. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.